Welly, I gotta go take these people on a walk, okay? You look out for the place. All right, I'll be back in about 15 minutes, okay? It's getting dark, so I gotta go do this. Why you got the door locked? Nobody's getting you. Oh, yeah, what's this? Oh, I know what you guys want, and I'll get them. But I gotta make this movie real quick, okay? We gotta make a movie. You guys, would you like to come with me? Come on. All right. Let's go see the utter destruction that I have reaped on this land. All right. I know the live streams weren't very clear. I thought the second one would be, but it was not. It'll be better tomorrow. Let's go the long way. Nah, we'll just take this trail. It's getting dark, but DJI is good at working in low light, unlike GoPro. Hello, Redbird. All right. Gotten quite a bit done here in the last couple days. So let's start at this end and I'll show you. If you've seen, I think I did this in a video. Yeah, so we went back there. I've cleared all this. It needs to all be drug out of here. That's going to be tomorrow. I don't know if I'll record that or not. But we got a good, I don't know, 15-foot section back. I'm actually going to go back further and get some of these taller things out of the way. Like that tree. You know, the taller ones will have a great view once those are down. Hopefully the camera's adjusting. It's not real dark, but it's getting there. Cut that down today. Go in there and get them. Got all this down. If you remember, here's the trail. This was just 2 foot away, all the way back. And I believe, even though technically it's not my land, I'm going to go back there. I'm going to cut that dude down. And if I can get back there, I'm going to cut that ugly pine tree down, or cedar tree. He ain't going to care. All right. So, and yesterday, no, today, not yesterday, today on the live stream, I started here. This was all like this. Took all this down. This is all loose. Needs to be drug out of here. Got a pile started. So I think what we're going to have is 2 or 3 piles back here. I'm going to pile a bunch of them up right here and burn that. Because this is all surrounded in rock. And I've actually set this on fire several years in a row, this whole circle, to burn it down. The weeds and all that. So don't really, you know, I'm just going to have to pick the right time to do it when the ground's a little wet. You know, there's no wind, which is rare. Like now would be a perfect time. And I cut all the way back up in there. I'm actually going to do the same thing, go back, get some of them tall trees down. The birds are upset with me. I cut their little nesting spots down where they go back and forth to the bird feeders. All right, so I got in here, and this ain't all I did. I worked after the live stream. A lot of this is already cut. Just got to get in there, drag it out. But just imagine once I cut a little bit of that off, it goes downhill. So I won't have to go too far back. We'll have a really nice view. That is the tallest part of the mountain there. So that's going to give it a real nice view. Yeah, that ugly old cedar's got to come down. Ain't nobody going to miss that. It's ugly. And I decided I'm taking this tree out. But I don't want to drop those until all this stuff's out of here and it's cleaned up. I did take a few bigger ones down after the live stream. I think I took that one down, that cedar. And then here's where I went nuts. Uh-oh, I got caught up on the barbed wire. I got to get that up. All right, let's get that. There's a cedar I took down. I believe this one's gone. We're going to get rid of it. We're definitely getting rid of that one. Getting rid of that one. It's half dead anyway. But I'm going to leave a lot of them. I took some down in here today. I took a cedar down. It was growing right next to this tree. Kind of like that one there. That's probably going to have to be taken down as well. And I went way back in here. Way back in here. Miss Tilly came with me, as she's coming with me now. But I worked my way in here. And I think as long as I can get in here, it's going to take a while, and get all these little stumps cut down, that I should be able to come in here with a mower. Yeah, this is the cedar. No, I did not take it down. But see how it's growing right next to this tree here? That other tree might be dead. No, it ain't. But look at that. So that definitely has to come down. And it's just, they're fighting each other. They're right there. So that's going to come down. And I went way up in here. Look at this. There's some old rolled up fence. Man, let me tell you, they don't make fence like this anymore. That stuff is stout. All right, I'm stuck. There's a tree I cut down. Tilly likes coming in here. I walked all the way back up in here. All these are cut down. Well, I guess that one ain't. A lot of them are. Some of them I'm leaving. I won't be leaving that one. There is a totally dead tree right there that has to come down. And it's been dead a while. Heck, I couldn't even see it, until I got up in here. So that'll have to come down. Looks like there's some sort of nest up in there. There's a fallen cedar tree. Let's see if we can get back in here a little more. I wasn't going to make a video, but the live was so terrible. I figured, why not? I'm going to try to get up in here, guys. This one's cut. We are in the thick of it. There's the junk pile. Okay. Ow! There's a big cedar there. The good news is most of the limbs are off of it. So once I get all this stuff cut up, which I already have, I believe, yeah, that's all cut. Yep. So it just needs to be, look at all the stress on those from that cedar tree when it fell. So once those are cut, that'll be dropping. And that tree's dead. That's a cedar. That's gonna have to be cut out. I don't know what that is, but we'll thin them out. Don't need all those trees there. I've already cut this one. There's a bunch of them that I've cut. All right, let's come out here and then we'll go around to the side. Because in the live stream, I don't know, I think the leaves, when you're cutting it, it messes with the phone. But if you wait till tomorrow to watch the live from today, it'll be much clearer. I don't know what YouTube, and I am absolutely stuck in here. I don't know what YouTube does, but they're processing the HD. Right now it's not. Oh! All right, we're by the junk pile and I'm caught in some briar. Oh, man. Come out here in sweatpants. Oh! All right, I gotta get under this. All right, we're free. See how this stuff just hangs? Taking that tree out. You just can't have a bunch of trees growing right on top of each other because they don't do well. I don't want to take them all out. I think I'm going to leave these two, maybe. I don't know. I might just take... That one looks like it got hit by lightning. We'll have to see. Wait till I get... But that one's definitely coming down. That don't look healthy at all. And, if they're decent, that one's dead. That needs to come down. If they're decent, then I'll leave them. Like that one back there, that big tall one, I'd like to leave it. But all the ones around it, they got to come down. And hopefully maybe this one I can leave because that puts out some good shade. All right, now we're over here to the side. It's getting a little dark. I got this huge area cut now. And a lot of it drug out of here. A lot of it is not. We got the frogs out all the way to the graveyard. And I was going to leave these two trees But I think I'm gonna take that one down and leave maybe that one, because it's in line pretty much with the property line. I like it. You can't take them all out. That beautiful oak there, I'm gonna leave it up. And like I said, that one big one there, and then this one. I am gonna cut this limb off though. Because these oaks, man, these limbs just keep going forever and ever and ever. And that's a really nice tree there. And that little skinny dude, I think I'm gonna leave it. It ain't bothering nobody. Let me go up in here. I've been working hard. Oh, look what we found. I was looking for them. That's by chance. I have been working hard on this. Just a couple hours a day, that's it. But look how thick this briar is. And this I will be able to mow in here. I just got to come around and get all that kind of stuff up. They cut down flat to the ground. Like that and that. But I don't see a lot of rocks in here. And I do know that they were using this to cut hay. Oh, I think the armadillo's out. And so back here, can't go 10 minutes without a four-wheeler going around. Yeah, this is a nice oak tree here. Just couldn't see half of these, you know, with all that stuff growing. But it's just gonna look nice. Probably take that out and go back a little. That's where the barbed wire is. All right. Well, I'm glad I found my safety goggles. But look at this, how thick we got. Woo! Yeah, we're working our way up. What's up, Waldo? We miss you, buddy. Yes, I do. Oh, this stuff here. This is the worst of it. The very worst. All right, looking back. Can you see the pink ribbon way back there? All that still has to be cut out. It isn't as bad as it looks. We just walked through it, and there's hardly any briar in there like there is in here. So it isn't going to be bad, but this, oh my God, this is terrible in here. Listen, you. Hush. That old rooster. All right. Now, I do got a good part of this cut. It's not enough. And this is going to be the worst part as well. Yeah. All that's cut. And I have been through there with a mower. We're probably up, you can see where it was. It was right here, come out here. Just about where Tilly's at. You know, you couldn't go in there. Now you can. And I believe, if I remember, there's a big old tree falling down in here. Yeah, that's not on my property though. But look at the big stuff there. I'm taking that down. Yeah. And that thing's decayed quite a bit in the last 10 years. That thing was a whole tree. There, it's the stump right there. It has come down decayed quite a bit. Golden grass. That was a huge one. But it ain't on my land. And actually, you can't do anything right here because of the utility lines. This is an easement. So you can't put a fence up. I couldn't put a fence all the way up there. If I put a fence up, it's going to which I don't think I'm going to now. I think what I'm going to do is, once I get my property line established in this mess, I'm just going to take my hedge clippers and make it a nice straight line. No matter how tall it is. Just get a ladder if I have to, make it a nice straight line. And it'll be a good privacy hedge. But I think I'll leave that tree because I really don't have any trees over here. And that is a real tree. That's not privet, so I'll leave that. But look at how thick in there that is. All right, so it really don't look much now because I got to clear a lot of this out. And I think I'm gonna bring one more pile, put it right here. Now I got to come over here and dig up my septic tank lid. I got to get my tank sucked out. You hush. It is full. There's the lid right in here. I'm gonna have to have that done now. All the rains we've had, it's just, I don't think the lid was on good. It's leaking in there. You better hush and quit back talking me. Do you hear me? That one's trouble. She's trouble, Lily. So tomorrow, I think I can get all this piled up in one day. Wow. Guys, this is something that blows my mind over here. This thing has been coming on. Doesn't come on all the time. How is it even getting solar in there? It doesn't come on all the time, but once in a while, old Lulu, she lights it up. Let's put you out here. I bought that 14 years ago. Why is it? That is strange, isn't it? Oh, it's hitting some light. That thing has lasted 14 years, and I'll tell you something else. That light there, and I haven't seen it come on in a while, but only once in a while this thing will still come on. And I think it's finally gone now. And like I said, yeah, this broke off. But I'm taking these out of here, and we're gonna have something. I'll probably put a little gravel in a square in the ground that I can mow over. And we're getting rid of all this stuff. You know, that's like why a lot of cemeteries do nowadays. They have the flat headstones. A lot easier to maintain, you know. Wally's headstone, I don't know where I got it, but it's so dirty you can't see nothing. It'll clean up. There's Wally. Well, we'll get them figured out. All right, guys, it's getting dark. Whew. I'm telling you. But I got a better view already over here. Once I go back a little further here, that's gonna look really good, real good. Once I get all this cleaned up around this junk pile, I'll pull my truck up here, start loading garbage, separate the metal. We'll get Dad over here from Ivy's Family Factotum, and we'll load up all the metal. All right, I guess that's the tour. The birds are getting their last meal before dinner time. I just filled their feeders. I never see them eating out of this one, but it's always empty, quick. Yeah, just listen to that. I love that sound. It was 62 degrees about 2 in the morning. I got up to go to the bathroom. 62 degrees out in February, man. Still got to get some window trim on there. I got 9 million projects, man. But this has to go now. I have to do what I'm doing now because once the bugs come out, snakes and all that, I don't want to be in there doing that, especially the heat. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching. Happy trails.